This does look, it looks like a sandwich, I have to be honest with you. I can already tell though, it's really, really fluffy. Can you hear that crunch? So I have a feeling I'm gonna like this. Specifically, I am a big fan of Gouda, so Xavier knows me very well already. Let's give this a shot, rate it, you guys know the drill. The ham, really good. Really good. What's so good about this too is that you can really tell it's like a pastry, and it tastes like a pastry. The cheese is melted. It kind of reminds me of a Danish, but it's not. It's like a really, really good sandwich, truthfully. So this one, I'm gonna give a pretty high score. This is my favorite so far, and everything else has been really good to this point. From 0 to 10, from a snack in Universal Florida, I'm gonna say this is an 8.8. So pretty high up, but again, this is really good. If you're into croissants and cheese, my friends are gonna make fun of me, but you will wanna try this. That's number 2, and that's the score.